Model, 67 Plate Vauxhall Vivaro Trafic 1.6 LWB92K needs turbo repair Euro 6 No Vat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 92,579. MOT, the 22nd of November 2025. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6120 PSE6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Check engine light on the dash. Straightforward turbo replacement job, very clean, well-maintained van, absolute bargain with no VAT to pay, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition, reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, 2 keys. Euro status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Contact us, 01564334664. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.